Hi everyone, welcome back to my session. In today's video, we are going to learn about partnership, which is most important for your examination. Guys, I already completed a couple of videos related to the quantitative aptitude, related concept and different examples also. Before this video, go and watch all those videos. If you go through those videos, definitely you can able to solve questions related for those. If you guys are new to our channel, subscribe and share this information with your friends who are having the TCS NQT examination. Definitely our content will help your preparation. So before solving all these examples, first of all, I will teach you the basic concept of partnership. Everyone like our video and share this information with you. Okay, let's go through the information. Partnership. Guys, partnership, minimum number of persons. For any partnership, minimum number of persons required is two. In any business, if two or more than two persons are in the business, that relation is called as a partnership. You should understand that, guys, there are two types of partners. There are two types of partners. Types of partners. One is active partner. Active partner. Second one is all about sleeping. Now, what is the role of active partner, guys? The major role of any active partner, he will invest. He or she invest in the business. Along with investment, he or she maintain that business. That's where the role of active partner means investment and the maintenance of that business. For a role of a sleeping partner, he does only investment. Investment only. There is a difference between active partner and sleeping partner. Sleeping partner do only investment. For active partner, he will invest the amount and he will maintain that business. So that is the difference between active partner and a sleeping partner. Let's take some information. Like see, there are two persons A and B. If A invests 1,000 rupees and B invests 2,000 rupees. Now A invested time is T and B invested duration is same. Now if you observe the profit distribution, guys, if if time is constant, profit is depends on investment only. Remember, guys, time is constant, then profit is depends on the investment. So whoever among A and B, who invested more amount, that person gets more. That's why see, in this information, investment decided profit value. Same, let's take the another information. A invested amount is I. B invested same amount. A invested for 2 years and B invested for 1.5 years. So in this information, profit is depends on time period. Here the reason see, here the respect to ratio of investment is same. If the investment is same, profits is depends on the time period. If time is same, profits is depends on the investment. Just know this basic info. That's why to calculate profit in the business, it is depends on investment into time period. Guys, any profits in the business is completely depends on how much they are invested and what is the duration of that investment. These two parameters will decide profits in the business. Yeah. And this is your basic information for solving any questions in partnership. Let's go through this example. Guys, try to solve this question and post your answers in the comment section. I will check your answers. Now just see this question. A and B invest in a business in the ratio of 2 is to 5. If 50% of total profit goes to the charity and A share is 3.6 lakhs, what is the total profit? Now see, respect to ratio of investment is 2 is to 5. Now based on the investment and time period, it will decided profit. Now here the profit distribution also 2 is to 5. After 50%, see 50% of total profit goes to the charity. So after whatever the amount is left, then you have to distribute those profits in the ratio of 2 is to 5. So after this distribution, A will get 3.6 lakhs. If A will get 3.6 lakhs, each value is multiplied with the 1.8. If 2 into a 1.8 is equal to 3.6. Now what is the total profit here? If the total profit means each unit is multiplied with the 1.8, then the total profit is 7 units. 7 is multiplied with the 1.8. Now it's a value of 12.6. If 7 is multiplied with the 1.8, you will get 12.6. But see, this is only 50% of profit. Why? Because it clearly mentioned that 50% of total profit goes to the charity. So after the amount, we are dividing according to their investment. That's why see, we want the total profit in the business. And you know that this is 50% amount. If you want full amount, then 12.6 is multiplied with the 2 times. Value of 25.6 is your answer. Go through this information. Guys, everyone like our video. If you like our video, it reaches to the maximum number of people. In a business, A and C invested amounts in the ratio of 3 is to 7, whereas A and B invested amounts in the ratio of 4 is to 5. Their annual profit is 20,845. What is the C share in the profit? Now see, AC invested in the ratio of 3 is to 7 and AB invested in the ratio of 4 is to 5. Now, if you combine this ratio, first identify that what is the respective ratio of ABC. If you observe the comparison, element A is same. If A element is same, A's position must be same. You can able to see different numbers. Then we have to equate it. How we are going to equate it? You have to multiply entire ratio with a 4 times. You have to multiply entire ratio with a 3 times. Now you will get the new values. 12 is to 28. You will get here 12 is to 50. And you can see A is the common number. A is the common value, then ABC ratio is 12, 28 and 50. Now we have a comparison. If the total annual profit is 20,840, we go through this sum. 28 plus 12 is equal to 40 plus 15 is equal to 55. Total profit is 55 units. Then A will get 12, B will get 28 and C will get 50. Now, if 55 becomes 20,845, find the each value. 20,845 divided by 50. Let's just go with the 11 table. 11 fives, 11 ones. We have a 98. 11 eights. We have a 44. We have a 60. 11. Now see, here 11 five times. 11 ones. 98 is left. 11 eights, 88. Now we have a value of 104. 104 again 11 nines 99, we have a 5 carry over and 11 5, each value is 895. Now what is the C share in the profit? What is the C share here? 15 is multiplied with the 1890. Go through the calculation. 5 5 is 25. 9 5 is 45 plus 2 is equal to 47. 8 5 is 40 plus 4 is equal to 44. 5 1 is 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Again 5, 9, 8 here, in here, answer 28,420. Now here the C's profit out of 20,845 is because we have a 5 in the denominator, 1895 divided by 5. Now see, again you can cancel with the 5 3 times. We have a 39, 5 7 times, 5 7 35, 45, 5 9 times, 379. 379 is multiplied with the 15, it gives you answer. And you know that 15 nines 135, 13 carry over. 15 sevens 105, 105 plus 13 is exactly equal to 180. 180. 180 11 carry over. 15 3 is 45. 15 3 is 45 plus 11 is equal to. So here the C is profit. Let's try to solve these questions and post your answers in the comment section. We are comparing this way. Total 55 means it's a 12, 28 and 15. Sum of those values is 50. So it's a value of 568 option. So total profit, C's profit is exactly equal to 5,685. Is it clear? This is all about C. Okay, guys, I just made a one mistake. Let me explain again. A is to C is 3 is to 7. A is to B is 4 is to 5. Now, if you observe that A is the common element, A's position must be common. You have to multiply with the 3 times and you have to multiply with the 4 times. We'll get the ABC ratio. 4 3 is 12 units here. Again 3 5 is 15 units here. 7 4 is 28. Now C value is 28. Now sum of the value is 55 units. Now see, if 55 units become 20,840. Now what about the each unit value? 20,845 divided by 555. So again 11 fives, 11 ones, 11 we have a 98, 11 eights, 88, then we have a 104, 11 nines, 11 fives. Go through the further calculation. Here 5 threes 15, we have a 39, 5 sevens and 5 nines. Each unit is 379. If 379 is a each unit and C will get 28 units. Do the further calculation here. 9872, 9872. 56 plus 7 is exactly equal to 53. Again 8 threes are 24, 30. Again 9 twos 18, 7 twos 14, 15, 3 2 6 7. So 2 1 6 11,000. 10,612 is the. I just consider instead of B value into the C. Before taking this value, you should be careful about which values we are considered. See here the comparison is given for A is to C and here it is a is to. Just observe this information. Go through this question. See, X and Y invest 30,000 rupees and 40,000 rupees in a business. X receives 100 per month out of total profit as remuneration to manage the business, and rest of the profit is divided in the ratio of their investment. If in a year X receives the total profit is 3,900, then find how much Y receives. Now, guys, there are two persons, person X, person Y. Person X investment is 30,000, person Y investment is 40,000. Now, receives 100 per month out of the total profit. Guys, X receives 100 rupees per month out of the total profit to manage in the business. And rest of the profits we are dividing according to their investment. So, if in a year X receives total profit of 3,900, guys, if you observe the calculation now, see, is in the ratio of 3 is to. Now, if you add 100 rupees, if you add 100 rupees per month, then the total remuneration for X is 100 is multiplied with the 12, exactly equal to 12. They clearly mentioned that here X receives total profit of 3,900 after the calculation. 3 units, let us take this value is 3x plus remuneration amount is exactly equal to 3,900. After the calculation, 3x value is exactly equal to 2,700. Then x value is 9. The question, how much y receives? And y receives 4x amount. If 4 is multiplied with the 900 is exactly equal to. Here, try to find this question. Now see, A, B, C are partners. They share profits in the ratio of 5 is to 3 is to 6. A earns 1,92,380 of his share of profit. What is the C share? We have a direct comparison. 5 units is 19,380, 1,92,380. Then 6 units become how much? Now see, 1,92,380 divided by 5. Now see, 5 threes 15. Have a 42. 5 eights 40. We have a 23. 5 fours 20. We have a 38. Again see, 5 sevens 35. We have a 30. 5 6. Now each value is 38,476. Now if you add these to the 5 units, you will get the answer. See, 1,92,380 and add 38,476. You will get the final answer. 6. You have 5 is carry over. 8. 0. Again 1 carry over. Finally answer 2,30,850. Go through this information. Key partners A, B, C share profit or losses in the ratio of 3 is to 4 is to 6. The profit for the year before charging 10% of tax, before charging 30% of tax is 1,10,160. What is the B share of profit after tax? See, total tax amount. Total tax amount is 1,10,160. They clearly mention that here tax amount is 30%. After tax, we will get only 70 percentage of total amount, like 10,600. And whatever this amount, we have to divide among ABC. ABC in the ratio of 3 is to 4 is to 7. Means see, total is 14 units. A will get 3, B will get 4, and C will get 7. Now here the question. So what is the B share? B share is 4 by 14. 4 by 14 value is 2 by 7th of 70 percentage of 1,10,660. Just go through the further calculation. 2 by 7, 70 percentage is 7 by 10, and 1,10,660. Just go through the cancellation here, 7 and 7. Multiply with the 2 times. Now see, 6 2 is 12, 1 is 2, plus 1 is equal to 3, 2 is 12, carry over, again 1, we have 22, divided by 10. So after the calculation, you will get 2212.3. Before 30 percentage means after 30 percentage of deduction, we have only 70 percentage of value. No, no, 70 percentage of 1,10,660. And we have to divide according to the ratio of 3 is to 4 is to 7. Sum of the value is 14 units. Out of 14 units, we will get 4 units, means here the share value is 2 by 7. And 2 by 7th of 70 percentage of 1,10,660. Now, after addition, you will get 2,21,232 divided by 10. So, you will get the value of 22,123 point. You are dividing with the 2. That's the final amount. Yeah, go through this information. A and B started a partnership business. Investing ratio is 3 is to. C joined them after 4 months with an amount equal to the 3 by 4th of B. What was their profit at the end of year if C got 24,000 as his share? AB started a business. The ratio of 3 is to 8. And C joined after 4 months. C was not there for first 4 months. After 4 months, he joined with an amount equal to the 3 by 4th of B. 3 by 4th of 8 units is exactly equal to 6. 3 by 4th of 8 exactly equal to 6 units. Now the respective duration, here 12 months, here 12 months, here only 8 months. Just go through the cancellation here. 6 exactly 2 times and exactly 2 times. To cancel with a 4 times. Finally, the respective ratio of profits is 3 is to 8 is to 384. Now see the question. What was their profit at the end of year if C got 24,000? C got 4 units. If 4 units is equal to 24,000, then each unit is equal to 6. So what is the total profit? Total profit is 15 units. If 15 is multiplied with the 6,000, then it becomes. When 6 are 90, then the total profit is 90. Next, go through this question. A and B invest in a business in the ratio of 3 is to 7. The business makes a profit of 60,000 in 1 year. They decide to distribute the profit remaining after reinvesting 40% of the profits. How much will A get? Investment ratio of A is to B is to 7. The business makes a profit of 60,000. They clearly mention that so whatever the profits they will get, they reinvest 40% of it. Now, whatever the 60% amount, they are going to divide according to their investment. Now, 60% of 60,000 is exactly equal to 60,000. Those 36,000 rupees we have to divide in the ratio of 3 is to 6. Means the total profit is 10 units. A will get 3, B will get 7. 10 become 36,000. If 10 become 36,000, then each unit is exactly equal to 3,600. Now, how much A will get? Now, 3,600 is multiplied with the 3 times. So, here the value become 10,800. This information A and B invest in a business in the ratio of 4 is to 4. After 10 months, B leaves the business after withdrawing his investment. The first year, the business made a profit of 49,000 rupees. What is the B share of this? A B investment ratio is 4 is to 4. After 10 months, B leaves the business. Now, B was there exactly 10 months. So, definitely A was there for 12 months. What is the respect to ratio here? Here, 2 6 times, 2 5 times. The respect to ratio is 24 is to. At the end of 1 year, they are going to divide their profits in the ratio of 24 and 20. The question. The first year, the business made a profit of 49,000. We go for total 49 units of profit. A will get 24, B will get 25. 49 become 49,000. Then each unit is exactly equal to 1,000. Another question. What is the B share? What is the B share here? 25 units. Then each unit is equal to 1,000 rupees. Then the total value becomes. Try this question. This information. A started a business with a capital of 1 lakh. 1 year later, B joined him with a capital of 2 lakhs. At the end of 3 years from the start of the business, profit earned was 84,000. The share of B in the profit exceeded by share of A. How much of difference between A and B profit? A investment 1 lakh, and 1 year later, so B was not there for first 1 year. B joined with a capital of 2 lakhs. Here A was there for all the 3 years and B was there for only last 2 years. So if you go through the cancellations, you will get the respect to ratio of profits in the ratio of 3 is to. Now here the question, if the total profit is 7 units, A will get 3, B will get 4. 7 become 84,000. 7 become 84,000. 7 once, 7 12 times. Value is 12,000. Now the question here. So here B is more than A by how many units? Now you already know that C. B is 4 units, A is 3 units, B is more than A by 1 unit. Then each unit value is exactly equal to. No need to identify the individual value. Of 3 is to 4. If the total profit is 7, then B is more than A by 1 unit. So if 7 units is 84,000, then 1 unit is equal to how much? So try to learn these kind of comparisons. Next. Information. The beginning of partnership in a business. A capital, the capital of B was 3 by 2 times of A. After 8 months, B withdraw half of the capital. After 10 months, A withdraw one fourth of the capital. A share in the total profit is, and the A share in total profit is 50. Now see, first identify the respect to ratio of their investment. B was 3 by 2 times of A. So if A is 2 units, B is 3 units. After 8 months, B withdraw half of the capital. First 8 months, B investment is 3 units. After 8 months, B withdraw half of the capital. He was continue with only 1.5 units. Next one, after 10 months, A withdraw. First 10 months, A maintain only 2 units and withdraw 1 by 4th of his capital. What is the meaning of 1 by 4th? So remaining amount, whatever the remaining amount. So 1 by 4 means 1 minus 1 by 4 is exactly equal to 3 by 4. He was continue with the 3/4 of 2 units. And the rest of the duration. What is the rest of the duration here? Exactly. Rest of the duration exactly 2 months. Here 4 months. 2 to the 4 cancel. Again, it's a value of 23 units. 8 3 is 24 plus 1.5 is multiplied with the 4 times 6 units. It's exactly 30. If you observe the information, the total profit is 53 units. A will get 23, B will get 30. 53 units is equal to 53,000 rupees. Then each unit is equal to the question. What is the A share? A share is 23 units. If 23 is multiplied with the 1,000, it becomes 23,000. A and B invest in a business in the ratio of 3 is to 7. The business marks a profit of 60,000 rupees in a 1 year. They decided to distribute the profit remaining after reinvesting 40% of profit. So how much B will get? Investment ratio of A is to B, 3 is to 7. They clearly mentioned that out of 60,000, they are going to reinvest 40%. Whatever the remaining 60%, they are going to divide in the ratio of 3 is to 60% of 60,000 is 36,000. They are going to divide in the ratio of 3 is to 6. Sum of these two values 10 units. Then each unit is exactly equal to 3,000. How much B will get? 3,600 is multiplied with a 7. 6 are 42. 7 3 is 21. Here, he will get 25,000 total. See this information. A working partner gets 20% of commission of the profit. After his commission is paid, if the working partner commission is 6,000, commission is 6,000, then what is the total profit in the business? They clearly mention that. Whatever the total profit, whatever the total profit, A as a working partner, he will get 20% as commission. The working partner commission is exactly equal to 6,000. What is the total profit? 20% is equal to 6,000. Then 100% is equal to how much? 20 become 100. We have to multiply with the 5 times. 1,000 is multiplied with the 5 times. Then it becomes 5 is a 30. And it is multiplied with the 1,000. It becomes 30,000. The 30,000. We clearly mentioned that out of total profit, he will get 20% as a commission. And he get the commission 6,000. It means 20% is 6,000, then 100% is how much? 20 become 100, which is multiplied by 5 times. Then 6,000 is multiplied with the 5 times. It becomes 30,000. See, Atul Dev invests 1200 and 800 respectively, whether in a business with understanding that 70% of profit would be distributed in 5:2 ratio, while the remaining would be distributed as an interest earned of their respective capital. Atul earns 68 rupees more than Dev. What is the total profit? Approximate. Investment of Atul and Dev 1200, 800. Respect to ratio E is to 2. They clearly mention that whatever that 70% of total profit should be divided in the ratio of 5 is to 2. And whatever the remaining 30% should be divided according to their respective investment. If you go through the further calculation, see, in 5 is to 2 ratio means in total profit, Atul get 50% and Dev get 20%. And these 30% we have to divide in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Now see, the total is 5 units, A will get 3, D will get 2. 5 become 30, each is multiplied with the 6%. Here, Atul get 18%, Dev get 12%. If you observe the overall 100% distribution between Atul and Dev, Atul will get 68% and they will get 32. So 18 plus 50, 12 plus 20. See, after the calculation, guys, if you go through the further calculation, see, 34 times, 17 times, and 8 times. So whatever the profit we are going to divide in the ratio of 17 is to. Now they clearly mention that, see, Atul earn more than Dev pay. See, Atul is 17 units and Dev is 8 units. 17 is more than 8 by 9 units. 9 units is equal to 68 rupees. Now the question, what is the total profit, guys? What is the total profit? Go through the calculation. Total profit is 100 units is equal to how much? Right. Total profit is exactly equal to 25 units. Okay, because 17 and 8, out of 17 and 8, total is 25. Here, A will get 17, D will get 8. Now, A is more than D by 9. Go through the approximation calculation. If you already know that 9 7 times 63, 9 eights approximately, let's take 8. So, 25 into 8 approximate value is 2. Answer is 2. Just take the approximate value. Go through this question. He started trading from by investing 10 lakhs. After 4 months, B joined the business by investing 15 lakhs. Then 2 months after, B joined and C2 joined them investing 20 lakhs. 1 year after, A started the business, they made a profit of 6. And the C share. A started with a 10 lakhs. After 4 months, B joined. He was not there for first 4 months and invested 15 lakhs. Then 2 months after B, so C was not there for 6 months and invested 20 lakhs. Now at the end of 1 year, so A there for 12 months, B there for 8 months, and C there for 6 months. For the calculation, 5 4 times, 5 3 times, 5 2 times. Again, go through the further calculation, 4 2 times, 4 3 times. Again, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. See, whatever the profits they have to divide it equal. So the total profit is 6,000. If 6,000 should be divided equally, then each person get exactly 2 lakhs. Thus, here the total profit is divided equally. Another question, what is the she share? She share is exactly equal to. Guys, I hope you understand the whole concept and different model of example. Just go through this question and solve it and post your answer in the box. If you want this PDF, I will upload this PDF after my session in Telegram channel. Search at the rate of V2VVK. Will get my channel and download this PDF. Follow us in the Instagram also. Listen to Victory, you will get my. Till the next session, have a nice day. Good night, guys.